Yeah. Here's our day today. Renting. This is great day. There's driving the U-Haul. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The door is even heavy. Alright. Look at her driving this big thing.
I've never driven this before, so
It's her first time driving this big car, or what's this, truck?
yeah.
Okay naman din si Sis Joy na nagda-drive itong malaki na truck. Truck na ang tawag ko dito kasi parang siyang bus na pag sasakay ka dito, malaki kasi siya. Mabuti na lang maganda ang weather at tamang-tama na lilipat ng new place ang anak ko po. Thank you guys sa talaga ninyo sa pagpapanood. See you to my next video.